Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add color canvas to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos that you would like to edit. And when you open it, then you have to go to the right on the bottom of the screen until you see the canvas option, and the first option is color, and here you can select your preferred color. You can see that you can select a specific color from the photo or video and to add it to your background. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.